is what we call the first group of lambing. These are all, there's a couple of white face in here, but they're all mainly Suffolk and Shire. They are known for their meat, although any lamb is good for meat, in my opinion. So there's about 35 in here. There's a couple of Cheviots, a white face group, a white face, but most of them are black. They'll start lambing in February, and those lambs will be ready. They put on about 3/4 of a pound a day. So by early April, May, those lambs will be ready at 110 pounds. So the other group is up on the power lines right now, and there's 165 ewes up there, and we won't start breeding up there until the 1st of December, or around Thanksgiving, 1st of December. Wake up, Betty. The 4 rams right here will go in with 165 ewes. They will do the breeding within a month. We will have 165 ewes lamb within a month. Once the girls start cycling, and we feed them so that we feed them heavy on the corn, heavy on the third cutting hay to make them ovulate more, so that they have more, so that their ovulation is better and they have more babies. So the more babies we get, the better profit we get. So this is from D&S Farms in Davison.